Hi, my name is Brett Taylor with Southeast Manufacturing Company here in Moultrie, Georgia. And today I would like to demonstrate our Holler Pro series of pea and bean shellers. This machine is constructed of all anodized aluminum. It has all stainless steel nuts, bolts, and screws holding it together. The machine is also water resistant. Once the machine is run and used, you can after operating this sheller, you can wash it down with a hose. The operation of this machine is simple. You have a main power switch, which stays on the whole time, all day you're shelling. You have an on-off timer switch here, with a 5-minute timer switch here. And you have a dump shell switch here. Inside of this machine, you have 4 doors. All 4 doors are removable, and all 4 doors will shell any variety of pea or bean, from a sedandi to a large butter bean or Ford hook. Once the machine comes on, the peas are dropped out of the drum down to a conveyor belt which carries the peas across 2 cleaners. You have a blower here which blows out all of your lightweight trash that is lighter than the pea or the bean. And then you have a shaker. Once they pass over the blower, they drop down to a shaker table. Here's where you separate your peas from your snaps. Once that is finished, after a 5-minute duration, the machine will cut off. Once the machine cuts off, you will remove a door. It hangs directly on the front of the sheller, right here. You turn it to dump, turn your timer back on, lower your lid. The machine will then come back on and empty the empty debris and hull into this catch pan here, eliminating all trash on the floor. Now I'd like to demonstrate this machine in operation. So I'm going to raise my lid, get my peas here. I'm going to load up the drum. And this machine is rated for 2 bushels. Let me grab my other bag. Once you have your peas in, you take your door, put your door in, latch it, you turn your main power switch on. Turn your timer on 5 minutes, turn it to shell. Lower the lid and the machine will come on. Peas are being dropped down on the conveyor belt, which are then carried across the blower, which is blowing out all your lightweight debris. Here, the machine is separating your snaps from your peas and beans. Of this sheller that I would like to show you is you have a control box here which controls the rate of speed of your conveyor belt, which feeds your cleaners. I can stop this conveyor belt, which stops the rate of peas flowing through my cleaning system. And if my screen or filter is too big or too small, I simply remove the filter, get the filter which I like, place it here, slide it back in, push it down here, and bring my peas back to my filtering system. Some more good features of this sheller are the cast iron mounted casters here, which allow you to move your machine very easily around your place of business. Now that we have shelled our peas, I'll show you how to dump the hulls inside of the drum that have been shelled. You simply lift the lid, remove one door, hang it on the front of the sheller. You turn your machine to dump, turn your main power on, turn your timer on slightly, you lower the lid, and the hose will come out of this side of the sheller. Once you're finished, you raise the lid, your machine is empty, and you're ready to go again. What this machine is going to do for you is it's going to cut your labor in half. It's going to increase your yield weight by 30%. It also eliminates excess cleaning of the peas and beans after they have been shelled. There's no further need to re-clean the peas. They're ready to be bagged and sold. Here's the product directly out of our machine. As you can see, there's very, very little trash and debris to be picked out. Another thing to keep in mind here, these are young peas. They're in very good condition. They're not beat up, they're not bruised, they're not mushy. All the pulp is gone. The machine does a great job at cleaning your peas and beans. Again, my name's Brett Taylor, and I'm with Southeast Manufacturing Company, and we would like to provide you with many years of successful shelling. Thank you.